I'm Mark Duhamel, General Manager of Legend Boats. I've accepted the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge from Henry Nguyen. Before I get started, I want to nominate and challenge a few other people. I'm going to nominate Brad MacArthur, Marty St. Jacques, Kaylee Duhamel, and Megan Duhamel.
And I'm Lisa Turcotte. I'm the Oracle of Legend Boats. I was nominated by Dave Alexander, and I would like to nominate Jeff Duhamel, Vicky Turcotte, and Quentin Solomon. What? And together we'd also like to do a bonus challenger, Jamie Dewar.
We're nominating Jamie Dewar, so you got to do it even though you're on holidays.
Ooh, and
yes, can't forget Missy. So
we both already donated to ALS Canada to help fund research and fight ALS.
yeah, and I'll be posting this on Facebook and asking all my friends to donate a little more.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Save some. Save lots for her. It's all in there. Too excited. Ready? Ready.
Ready.
You're kind of a...
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.